Everybody told me I needed a pre-workout powder for my first gym session, but I decided to make my own instead. And honestly, I did not know if the juice was going to give me the energy I needed or I'll be fighting for my life on the treadmill. I started with oranges for that fresh and natural boost, apples for quick energy and little sweetness, beetroot for that stamina because I'm going to need that all the way, and ginger for that strong little kick, and coconut water to keep everything light, refreshing, and hydrating. I have actually been making green juice for a while now, and it has really helped me to feel lighter and more intentional about what I consume. And now I'm trying to add some movement to it, even if I still feel a little lost walking into the gym. And let me tell you, walking into the gym for my first time was intimidating. I was nervous, trying not to look lost, trying not to accidentally embarrass myself. But once I started, something shifted. I kept thinking I was going to get tired fast, but actually, I just wanted to keep going. Like, yes, my legs were burning, I was sweating, breathing hard, but I just felt locked in. And the craziest part, the biggest boost was not physical, it was mental. I left the gym feeling proud of myself because for the first time in a long time, I actually showed up for myself. So, yeah, the homemade pre workout juice definitely coming with me again. And if you're trying to become a healthier version of yourself, this is a sign for you to start now, even if it feels awkward. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and send to someone who needs a little motivation today.